Hello and welcome to the Orange County Cadet Squadron Basic eServices tutorial. I'm Cadet Major Flynn and I'll be taking you through how to use eServices for new cadets. Firstly, how to get to eServices. You open any internet browser and go to the search engine of your choice. You type in CAPNHQ. That will bring up the Civil Air Patrol eServices. You can also just Google Civil Air Patrol eServices and you'll come to this page. On this page, if this is your first time ever coming here, you'll want to go to first time users, click here to register. You will have had to already filled out a application for Civil Air Patrol. So whether it's the paper application that we mail in or an online application that we help you with, those will have to be processed. So it might take some time, but you should get an email and then you'll fill in the information here and hit register. Then you'll get another email with the login details for signing in. So you'll sign in with your CAP ID and password. You click sign in and it will bring you to this page. Now the first time you log in on this page, there will be a big banner that says OPSEC training. You'll have to complete a basic operational security training before you can use eServices. It's a very short presentation and then a very short quiz that you'll have to complete once and then it's done forever. Once you finish that, first things that you should do is come into eServices, go up to where your name is displayed in the corner, click here, and click on General Info, and it will bring you to this page. This is where the information that you filled into your application will be automatically filled in on eServices. If any of this information is incorrect, please contact the squadron and we'll fix it for you. After you finish that, you should go to Address. Make sure that your primary mailing address is correct. Then you should go to Contacts. In here, you'll only start with a primary email. So you'll want to make sure that this is your email, and if it's not, you just click Edit. If this is your email that you, the cadet, gets and reads, you should also add a couple other contact types. You should add both your parents' emails, so cadet parent email, a parent phone number, your phone number, and an emergency phone number. So to add a new contact, say we wanted to add another emergency phone number, you would go to here, you go to cadet parent phone, priority, emergency, contact, the number, contact name, the name of whoever this number is. If you wanted to add a cadet parent email, or another email for yourself, you go into here, you want to make sure the priority is primary. Set the contact, what the email is, the contact name, so this would be your parent's name, and then do not contact for CAP mass emails. You want to make sure this is unticked, otherwise they won't get emails when the squadron sends out mass emails. Other than that, on the side, you'll want to go to Characteristics, click there, and this is your basic characteristics for you. So you want to make sure that you add your height, weight, and all of this, because this is all important for orientation flights, emergency services, things like that. So just make sure you update this about once a year. Once you finish that, to get back to the main page of eServices, you just come up back to the corner where your name is, you go over to where it says eServices, you click there, and it will bring you back to this page. When you're ready to get your first promotion, there's just only one more thing you have to do. You come over to this sidebar here, and if it's not showing like this, if you don't see all of this list of items, it's just hidden. So you come over, you'll see this show more icon. You click there, it'll come out. You go over to Cadet Programs and Cadet Online Testing. And if you don't want to have to go through this every time, there's a little star here. If you click that, it will give you this notification here and add it to your favorited apps, which will be right on the main page of your eServices screen. And it won't have anything else on it, it'll just have Cadet Online Testing. So you will come over here, you click the star, it'll add it to your favorite apps, or you can just come over and click here. And that way, this is how you access Cadet Online Testing. And then to do your first promotion test, so your Leadership Chapter 1 test, you come over to Modules, you go to Leadership Tests, you click here, and then this will say Leadership Chapter 1 Test. You click on that, It'll ask you to affirm that you are the one taking the test and that it is an open book test, so you can use your Learn to Lead book, any notes that you've taken, or a digital copy of the Learn to Lead book. That's the basics of getting your first promotion and using eServices. If you have any more questions, please contact your chain of command.